Hi guys, hope you're settling into our class without too much difficulty. In fact, I hope you're not having any difficulty at all. And as we start to approach test one, I thought I might record a little video here just to provide you some guidance, especially for the benefit of those of you who might not have had an online class before. Just to state things very simply, there's nothing really complicated about this process. I try to make my classes just as clear and uncluttered and as straightforward as I possibly can. And with that in mind, you will note that I have provided you with a study guide for each of the four tests. So this is how I suggest that you proceed. As you're reading through the online textbook, have a printed copy of your study guide handy. And as you're reading, be aware of the terms I've listed there, the questions that I've listed there. And as you come across material related to these terms and these questions, answer those. And I'm suggesting that you don't just answer them in your mind, but with pen or pencil in hand, write down answers and definitions to these questions and these terms. And then in the final hours or so before you actually open the test, I suggest that you read back through this review that you've done. And go back through it just as many times as you possibly can. I realize that all of you are leading busy, demanding lives. You can't devote all of your time to history. I wish you could, but I know you can't. But repetition is really the key. Just spend as much time with this material, writing answers and reviewing those answers as you possibly can. And you should be well prepared for the test. Now, as I'm careful to point out at the bottom of the review sheet, it's possible that I might ask a question on something that's not specifically listed there. But even in those cases, the questions will be in some way related to the terms that are there or the questions that are there. So if you have a general familiarity with these terms and with the questions that I've listed for you, you should be in great shape. And believe me, I want you to succeed. I don't get any pleasure in giving failing grades. I'm especially interested in people who have had this class before and did not do well in it and are taking it again. I'm especially interested in older students who perhaps are thinking in terms of a career change and are meeting some graduation requirements. I'm interested in all of you. And I want you to succeed, but I wanted you to know that I'm especially interested in those groups. So that's it. Just use this review sheet as your guide as you're going through the reading, and you should be in great shape for all of the tests. And repeat that process for test 2, test 3, test 4, so forth. And again, hopefully you'll be in great shape and will come out of this class with a very, very respectable grade. That's what I want for each and every one of you. In the meantime, if you have any questions, you know how to reach me. You've got my email address. I've also made an offer to establish a Skype contact. I haven't had anybody in this class take me up on that, but if you want to do that, we can also do that. And through Skype, we can engage in instant messaging or have video or voice chat to answer any questions or any concerns that you might have about the class. So that's it for now. That's my best guidance, and I guess I'm going to sign off at this point with one or two final words, namely, have a great day, guys, and Boomer Sooner. Take care. Bye-bye.